All right, so I got my player moving nice and smoothly, as you can see from the last video there. But I've added a second picture box, and I've decided to make this some type of coin. So this is pretty common in games. You interact with something, you collide with something, you probably want something to happen. So if this was a coin, like maybe I wanted my score to go up. So I need to write code to detect once I've basically collided with the coin or the picture box. So when I hit it, I want something to happen. So how could you do that? Pretty simple. So back in my timer, I've got all my other code hidden. It's pretty simple. It's with an if statement. So I could check my PCB box. So in other words, my green box or whatever control, maybe you're using, a label or whatever. You can use whatever control you want. I'm going to use this method called bounds. And just like the name suggests, this finds basically the boundary around your picture box. So basically fills the area. It's just, I'm over explaining it. It's the boundary of the picture box. It's the outside of the picture box. So we can take that boundary of that first picture box and we can check if it intersects with something else. And in this case, we're checking if it intersects with, open bracket, the boundary of the other picture box, of the yellow picture box. So I could go PCB coin dot bounds. I could check if these two bounds, the boundaries of these picture boxes, are intersecting. And if they are, well, I could write some code and, whatever I want to happen. So I'll keep it simple. Maybe if I come into contact with that coin, the very first thing I want to do is I want to make the coin disappear. So I'll set the visible property to false, which isn't the best way to make something disappear, but so here you can see as soon as I touch it, it's like my green boy there has just picked it up or has swallowed it or done something with it. Douche, it's gone. And this is in my timer. I still only have one timer here. And this timer is ticking very fast. So every time that timer ticks, it's checking, hey, has he moved that green box to a location where it is intersecting with my coin? Because if that has happened, we'll make that coin invisible.